Hello viewers, this is Dow Too Fast here. In today's video I will show you how to replace the light bulb that illuminates your license plate from the regular incandescent bulb to LED. Now typically on most vehicles that bulb size is 192 or 168. So that same bulb is used on many different vehicles. Now this vehicle I'm working on today is the 2017 Nissan Pathfinder. So I'll show you how to access that light bulb and replace it with LED lights. Here's a look at the original bulb. You can see it has that yellow color to it. Here's another look at these lights. On the rear hatch, there are 4 clips you need to remove. Next we'll remove the access panel. That's right here. Behind the access panel you'll see there's a clip that goes behind this panel right here. So get yourself a pry tool and we'll release that clip. Do the same thing for the other side. Now starting on one side of the panel, use your hand to grab the edge and carefully hold this panel down and release the clips. Go along the edge. Do the same thing for the middle section right here. And same thing on the other side. I've gone ahead and pulled this down and released the clips on this edge. Now you have to release the clips on the bottom edge right here. So you need to push the panel this direction. Disconnect the connector for the rear hatch power liftgate. Here's a look at the back side of the panel we just removed. And here are the plastic clips that we had to release. The bottom edge actually don't have any clips. The only thing that's holding it in is the grab handle right over here. Once you have the panel off, let me show you where the light bulbs are. So right in there, that's one light bulb. Here's the other one, right in here. So reach in here, give it a twist, and here's the light bulb. Go ahead and remove this light bulb. Here's the aux beam LED lights. Plug it in. You want to test it out and make sure it works because this is polarity sensitive, so it doesn't light up. Take it out and turn it the other way around. And right now it's not lighting, so pull it out, flip it the other way around, and there it is. Here's the other bulb. With the regular light bulb on the left and the LED lights on the right, let me turn it on and you can see the difference between the two. As you can see, the LED is much whiter obviously, and also brighter. Let's go ahead and replace the other one. So now we can reinstall these lights. Don't forget to reconnect the connector. Install the access panels. The grab handle is marked up, so up will face this way. Reinstall the clips. And here's a look at these lights. As you can see, they turn out really good. These LED lights has a very nice white and bright output. Definitely work a lot better than the factory incandescent bulb. This upgrade isn't too difficult. Overall time is about 30 minutes. If you want to pick up these LED lights, I will include the link in the description below. Let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comment section. And don't forget to click on thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.